Let's solve for the value of x and y in this simultaneous equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We are going to use the elimination method to find the values of x and y. The first thing you look out for is the coefficients of the variable. You identify that the coefficients are not equal. Coefficient of x is 5, here 2. Coefficient of y is 2, here 3. They are not equal. Before we eliminate, the coefficients must be equal. So let's make x to become equal. I'll use 2, coefficient of x here, to multiply equation 1. Use 5, coefficient of x here, to multiply equation 2. So 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 2y gives me 4y. And 2 times 2 is 4. Here, 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 3y, this is 15y. And 5 times minus 8, this gives us minus 40. So we eliminate by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 since 10 and 10 here have equal signs. Therefore, 10x minus 10x gives us 0. 4 minus 15 should give us negative 11. So we have negative 11y. 4 minus 40 should give us positive 44. When 4 minuses negative 40, you have 44. Okay, because minus is plus. Then we have minus 11y equals 44. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 11 to get y. Negative 11 divide here, negative 11 divide here. Negative 11 takes care of negative 11. I have y to be equal to 11 divided 40 is 4. So this is negative 4. Having gotten y as negative 4, let's get x using equation 1. We have 5x plus 2y equals 4. Anywhere you see y, put negative 4 there. So I'm going to have 5x plus 2 into negative 4 equals to 4. That means I have 5x. 2 times negative 4 is minus 8 equals 4. Then this is 5x equal to 4 plus 8. Taking x to the right hand side, that is collecting like terms. So we have 5x to be equal to 12. Then divide both sides by 5. We divide by 5 to get x. Okay, that means x is 12 over 5. We make our conclusion x comma y, the values of x comma y, x, write it as a mixed fraction. That is 2 whole number 2 over 5, comma, y is negative 4. We have negative 4. And that becomes the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to follow my channel and like the video, share it to your friends as well. Bye.